Goat farming is an agricultural endeavor that has stood the test of time. Known for their adaptability, low maintenance, and multi-purpose utility, goats are a prized resource in livestock farming. For aspiring entrepreneurs, goat farming offers the dual advantage of being both rewarding and relatively easy to start on a small budget. With the right approach, this venture can turn into a thriving business. This video provides a comprehensive roadmap for starting a profitable goat farming business, even with limited investment. From understanding the basics of goat farming to marketing your products and managing finances, this step-by-step guide is designed to set you up for success. 1. Understanding the basics of goat farming. Why goat farming? Goats have been domesticated for centuries and serve as a vital source of livelihood for millions around the globe. Here's why goat farming is an attractive option for small and large-scale investors alike. Versatility. Goats are reared for milk, meat, fiber, and leather, offering diverse income streams. Hardiness. They thrive in diverse climatic conditions and terrains, making them ideal for regions with limited resources. High reproductive rate. Female goats give birth to 1 to 3 kids per pregnancy, often multiple times a year. Easy maintenance. Goats require less space, labor, and feed compared to cattle. Organic fertilizer. Goat manure is an excellent natural fertilizer for crops. Types of goat farming. Before diving in, it's essential to determine the type of farming that aligns with your goals. Meat production. Chevin, goat meat is highly nutritious and in demand globally. Dairy production. Goat milk is rich in nutrients, suitable for lactose-intolerant individuals, and used in specialty products like cheese and yogurt. Fiber production. Breeds like Angora and Cashmere are ideal for producing high-quality fiber. Mixed farming. A combination of meat, milk, and fiber production can diversify income. 2. Research and planning. Laying the foundation. Conduct thorough market research. Understanding the market dynamics is key to success. Study consumer preferences in your region for goat products. Identify competitors and assess their pricing strategies. Explore untapped markets, such as organic meat or specialty dairy products. Define your business objectives. Ask yourself, what is my primary goal, meat, milk, or fiber production? What scale of farming do I want to begin with? What resources, land, labor, capital, do I have access to? Choose the right breed. The choice of breed is critical. Here's a deeper look at some popular options. Meat breeds. Boer, Black Bengal, and Spanish goats are known for their rapid growth and high-quality meat. Dairy breeds. Saanen, Toggenburg, and Alpine goats are excellent milk producers. Dual-purpose breeds. Jamunapari and Nubian goats can be reared for both milk and meat. Fiber breeds. Angora and Cashmere goats are prized for their luxurious wool. Prepare a business plan. A well-thought-out business plan includes capital requirements and funding sources. Choosing the right location. Your farm's location plays a pivotal role in its success. Consider land size. Ensure the land accommodates grazing areas, housing, and future expansion. Climate and soil. Research if the local conditions are suitable for goat farming. Accessibility. The farm should be accessible for transporting goods and livestock. Proximity to resources. Ensure availability of water, veterinary services, and feed suppliers. Building goat housing. Goat housing must protect animals from harsh weather and predators. When constructing shelters, use durable, locally available materials to save costs. Elevate the floor to prevent waterlogging and ensure proper drainage. Install partitions to separate kids, bucks, and does. Provide feeding and watering areas within the shelter. 4. Feeding and nutrition. Designing a balanced diet. Proper nutrition is vital for goats' health and productivity. Roughage. Goats naturally graze on grasses, shrubs, and tree leaves. Concentrates. Include grains like maize, barley, or millet for energy. Supplements offer mineral mixtures and salt licks to meet nutritional deficiencies. Water. Fresh, clean water must be available at all times. Cost-effective feeding practices. To reduce costs, allow goats to graze on natural pastures for several hours daily. Plant fodder crops such as Napier grass or legumes on your farm. Store surplus feed during the rainy season for use in drier months. 5. Breeding and kid rearing. Breeding management. Efficient breeding practices ensure consistent growth in herd size. Selection. Use healthy, high-quality bucks for breeding. Mating seasons. Plan breeding to align with favorable climatic conditions. Gestation and parturition. Provide extra care and nutrition during pregnancy. Kid rearing. To maximize survival rates of newborn kids. Ensure kids receive colostrum within the first 24 hours. Provide a warm, clean environment. Vaccinate kids as per schedule to protect against diseases. 6. Health and disease management. Healthy goats lead to a profitable business. To maintain their well-being, preventive care. Vaccinate against diseases like PPR, Peste des Petits Ruminants, goatpox, and enterotoxemia. Regular checkups. Monitor for symptoms like lethargy, loss of appetite, or abnormal behavior. Hygiene. Maintain clean housing and prevent overcrowding. Access to veterinary services. Have a vet on call for emergencies. Common goat diseases include foot rot. Prevent with proper foot care and dry housing conditions. Internal parasites. Deworm goats periodically. Mastitis. Regularly check udders for inflammation in lactating does. 7. Scaling up your business. As your business grows, expand your herd. Invest in additional breeding stock. Diversify products. Experiment with value-added products like goat milk soap or goat meat jerky. Explore export opportunities. High-quality goat products are in demand globally. 8. Marketing and selling your products. Effective marketing strategies include direct-to-consumer sales. Sell meat, milk, or fiber directly at local markets or farms. Partnering with retailers. Supply products to restaurants, grocery stores, or specialty shops. Social media and e-commerce. Build an online presence to reach a wider audience. Value addition. Create processed products, such as goat cheese or packaged meat, to attract premium buyers. 9. Financial planning and cost management. Start with a small budget and gradually reinvest profits into your business. Key tips. Use free or low-cost resources like local fodder. Maintain detailed records of all expenses, sales, and livestock. Apply for government subsidies or grants for livestock farming. 10. Sustainability and future planning. Modern goat farming emphasizes sustainability. Rotate pastures to prevent overgrazing. Use goat manure to fertilize crops. Invest in renewable energy sources like solar-powered water pumps. Conclusion. Starting a goat farming business with low investment is a feasible and profitable venture. By focusing on efficient resource use, innovative marketing, and consistent care for your goats, you can establish a thriving enterprise. As with any business, the key to success lies in continuous learning, adaptability, and passion for what you do.